Hi guys, one of my old halogen security lights, or night lights, whatever you want to call it. Got a sensor on it, turns itself on when it detects motion. Stopped working. Now the bulb had gone on it, but I did have a spare bulb, so I put that in and it worked until I got down from the ladder and put things away. Then I tried it again and it had stopped working. So I don't think it's the bulb. I think it's more likely the sensor's dead in one way or another. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to wire it up temporarily so we can try it indoors. So I'll put a lead on it. And if it doesn't suddenly spring into light then, we'll have a little look at what we've got. We haven't got a lot to look at. The sensor in there is what I'm guessing is the problem. Although it's always possible it could just be one of the wires is corroded. It doesn't look damp in there, it looks quite all right. So yeah, I'll rig it up temporarily so I can actually put power on it. It is mains operated, and we'll just have a look, and then we might progress to going down there. I have power connected but not switched on, but I've already found when I put power on it, I can hear the relay click on the sensor there. So we have power going at least through to there. What I could do is I could get a meter, disconnect the power again and check going the other way, see if we can actually see the bulb. When I say see it, measure it. Right, there's two white leads go down to the actual bulb. One white is connected directly to the blue wire, which is the neutral. And then the other white wire goes into here and is obviously connected up to the live via the relay via the sensor. So if I go on there and in there, if I can get probe in there, that should be across the bulb. According to me, we're not seeing it. All right, we'll take the bulb out again and just check. Right, one thing you don't do is you don't touch those halogen bulbs with your greasy fingers. The power is off again before you panic. So, here's our bulb. We're going to focus. There we go. So it looks okay. Well, that looks like it is the bulb gone. Well, that's a surprise. Brand new bulb, but we're not getting any measurement across it. I've got the probes in the bulb sockets or connectors. I put the power on now. We should see 240 volts. There we go. Well, 237 volts AC. So it does look like it's actually just the bulb that's gone. But I haven't been able to locate any replacement halogen bulbs. I can get the bigger ones, but not this small size. Because everybody wants you to go to LED bulbs now, which is what I've done. I've replaced this with an LED version. one of these. Whoa, that is bright. That's the new LED floodlight, and that clearly works. So in summary, I've replaced a 150 watt halogen light with a 30 watt. So that should save me a few pennies on the electricity bill. Said 150 watt, I just had a look. The bulb that I replaced was 120 watts, but we're still talking 120 compared to 30. And that one only cost me £1 when I bought it. I was interested to see it's the same brand, King Avon, which is going to be one of those cheap brands. Yeah. But as I say, I couldn't find any of these. Must have had this one for years, because Watt closed years ago. They do open seasonally for Christmas and that sort of thing, but they no longer have a permanent presence in the shopping centre. I was just having a look in my garage. I've got a couple of these spotlights for working on the car and that sort of thing. And these are the same bulb. So I think what I'll do, just as a test, is I'll whip this one out of here, put it in there and see if it works. I am pretty confident now that that one, even though it was brand new, died immediately. Just a quick check. That spotlight does work. So we'll swap the bulb over when it's cooled down. Right, I'll put the power on this one. And there we are. So it was that bulb. As I say, they're just not easily available in the shops. I mean, I can get them online. And I probably will get some anyway, because I'll need them if I ever need those spotlights for any reason. I'm just looking in the end of that bulb, and that does look very dark up there, as if the termination has gone corroded, rusty. That might be what the problem was. Don't know. It doesn't work one way or the other. Just another little bit. Had a look online to actually order some, because as I say, the shops that I go in just don't stock them anymore. I can get them online, no trouble. And I have actually ordered a pack of 5 for about £6 something. So about the same sort of price I pay for this one individually. But I went down a rabbit hole then. I started looking at the LED replacements, because you can get direct replacements for these in LED format, either as cob strips or ones with individual LEDs on them. And I nearly ordered some, and then I remembered the reason I got these on those spotlights is for running solar powered cars, because you need halogen lights to give you the right sort of light. If you use LED lights, then most of them don't run, because it's the wrong frequency, I suppose, or wavelength, yeah. So I have ordered some more of these halogen bulbs for that reason, for solar powered cars. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.